Ready to connect Salesgenie with Salesforce? Let's walk through it together. Head to Settings in your Salesgenie account. Then choose Integrations. Find Salesforce, then click Connect. As a Salesforce admin, you can choose to connect to your sandbox or production environment. Sign into your Salesforce account. Log in with your credentials and enter the quick verification code sent to your email to verify the connection. Once you are logged in, Salesforce will ask you to allow access to Salesgenie. Click Allow to authorize Salesgenie to establish the integration. It's that simple. At the top of the screen, a confirmation message will appear to let you know the connection was established successfully. Now, it's time to map your fields. On the left, you will see your Salesgenie fields, and on the right, your Salesforce fields. Customize the mapping however you like. Add, remove, or adjust, then hit Save. At the top of the screen, a confirmation message will appear to let you know your mapping was saved. Exporting contacts to Salesforce is easy with Salesgenie. Simply open one of your saved lists and choose whether to send the whole list or just the records you need. Then select Export. Select the format to export to Salesforce. The previous setup steps ensures only the fields you want are exported to Salesforce, and it's consistent for every user on your account. A confirmation message will appear at the top of the screen, letting you know your exported data will be ready shortly. And here's the best part. Your records are available in Salesforce moments after exporting. Simply select Leads, and here they are, ready for you and your team to put them to work. In just a few steps, you've unlocked a powerful connection between Salesgenie and Salesforce, so you can spend less time moving data and more time closing deals.